Hello students, welcome again in the series of vocabulary, and in this video and in these lessons today I'm Kavita Modani, your English teachers, and in this lesson I'm going to help you to break some bad habits. Okay students, hopefully we can stop you from being a little lazy at times with your word choice. There are so many interesting and intelligent ways to express your ideas and words in English. In fact, we are going to take a lot of this kind of dull boring English words and replace them with better ones, more colorful, more impressive language. So students, today we will focus to expand your vocabulary, as I got a very good vocabulary for you, and I brought a very good describing words, adjective words for you, so you can use in your language and you can make your language very expressive, very colorful and very splendid. So words to use instead of very. Students, हमने वेरी शब्द बहुत सुना है. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल वर्ड, वेरी गुड, वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी सैड. But instead of say very, we can say, or we can use other describing words. Okay, so you just new exciting words add your new जो vocabulary will become a part of your language or everyday vocabulary. So hang around till the end and test what you know. Okay, so my students, when you get stuck in the habit of using basic vocabulary, because it's easy, you can communicate your message with basic English vocabulary. That's awesome. स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा कहने का मतलब इसमें ये है कि हम बहुत बार यूज़ करते हैं वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी बैड, वेरी गुड, ओके, वेरी बिग. तो उसकी जगह हम बहुत अच्छे अच्छे डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स यूज कर सकते हैं और बड़े इम्प्रेसिव वर्ड्स यूज कर सकते हैं, जो कि आपकी लैंग्वेज को एक नया आयाम देगा. ओके, सो हियर देखिए, वेरी शॉर्ट का मतलब यहाँ पे यू कैन से ब्रीफ. वेरी शॉर्ट मीन्स ब्रीफ. डोंट यूज वेरी शॉर्ट, इट्स अ ब्रीफ. वेरी सिंपल, यू कैन से बेसिक. वेरी सिंपल, इट्स बेसिक. वेरी लार्ज, बहुत बड़ा, you can say use, and you can say gignatic, it's gignatic. Okay, and you can say anonymous. Okay, then very good, it's excellent. How are you? I'm excellent. Or you can say splendid. Okay, very empty, it's a desolate. It's a desolate. It's a desolate. It means खालीपन. एक लाइफ में एक जो खालीपन, अकेलापन हो जाता है किसी की वजह से, या हम किसी को मिस करते हैं, तो माई लाइफ बिकेम डेसोलेट. ओके, तो इट्स मीन्स बहुत खालीपन. वेरी रिच, यू कैन से वेरी वेल्दी पर्सन. ही इज़ ए वेरी रिच पर्सन. तो डोंट से वेरी रिच, ही इज़ अ वेल्दी. वेरी क्वाइट, बहुत चुप रहने वाला, इट्स मीन्स साइलेंट. वेरी नाइस, काइंड. वेरी कॉल्ड, इट्स अ फ्रीजिंग. वेरी स्मार्ट, इंटेलिजेंट. ओके, यू कैन से नाउ सी. वेरी बैड, यू कैन से अवेफुल. डोंट यूज वेरी बैड, इट्स अवेफुल. ओके, वेरी स्मार्ट, आई टोल्ड यू इंटेलिजेंट. Very sad, it's a sorrowful. Very upset, it's a distraught. Very cold, freezing. Very strong, forcefully. Very bright, it's luminous. Very busy, swamped. Very careful, caution. Very clear, obvious. Very confused, perplexed. Very mean, cruel. Very messy, slovenly. Very messy, जो बहुत बिखरा हुआ रखती है, it's a slovenly. Very often, हमेशा, it's a frequently. Very often, हमेशा होता है, it's a frequently. The electricity is going very often here, तो electricity is going frequently here. Very old, it's ancient. Students, my mother is very ancient. You cannot say like this way. Then describing words depend on the sentence of the condition of the sentence. Okay, so you cannot say कि my grandmother is very ancient. Okay, in ancient मतलब बहुत प्राचीन. तो यहाँ पे जो अर्थ है प्राचीन का मतलब होता है कि ओल्ड का मतलब बूढ़ा भी होता है, ओल्ड मतलब प्राचीन भी होता है. तो ये जो एंशियंट वर्ड है वो प्राचीन के लिए आया है. ठीक है. वेरी ओपन, इट्स ट्रांसपेरेंट, मतलब थिंग्स आर वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट. सम कि रूल्स आर वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट, और या सम प्रोटोकॉल्स आर वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट. वी कैन यूज हियर वेरी ओपन. ओके, very good, it's excellent. Very stupid, idiotic. Very happy, it's ecstatic. It's ecstatic. Ecstatic, very exciting. Accelerating, very exciting, it's accelerating. Very warm, hot. Very weak, frail. अब यहाँ पे फ्रेल जो वीक जो आता है ना, कि जो मिरर्स है, कांच की जो वस्तु होती है जो फ्रेजाइल होती है, उसके लिए यहाँ पे हम फ्रेल यूज करते हैं. वेरी हंग्री, स्टार्विंग. वेरी हर्ट, बैटर्ड. वेरी लार्ज, यूज. वेरी लेजी, इट्स इंडोलेंट. वेरी लेजी, इंडोलेंट. वेरी लूज, स्लैक. Very skinny, skeletal. Very skinny, skeletal. Very smooth, very soft, it's downy. Very sorry, apologetic. Very spacious, exceptional. Very sure, it's certain. So students, there are many words. I have just told you a very few words about this, but in dictionary and in books and on internet you can find many good words. And students, why I am giving you these words, why I am making the videos for you? I'm making video for you to expand your vocabulary. So if you are having vocabulary, you are able to speak. Okay, you are able to speak here, you can express yourself. You have a good vocabulary. Okay, so students, now it's done. You have to read this vocabulary more and more, and you have to use in your daily language this vocabulary. Okay, so I hope you like and you will try more and more. Okay students, so I thought कि अच्छा चलिए, मैंने आपको लास्ट में बोला था ना कि मैं एक आपसे क्विज पूछूंगी, तो आप बता दीजिए कि आप ढूंढ के लाइए कि वेरी हैप्पी को हम के लिए 4 डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. वेरी हैप्पी के लिए 4 डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. ओके, अब 4 describing word of very happy. Today one I say overjoyed. Okay, one I will say overjoyed. 3 you will say in my live class. Okay students, till then, bye bye. Use good words, use good describing words to make your language very expressive, very colorful, and very expanded, exceptional. Okay, thank you.